Imagine cruising down the boulevard with the wind in your hair, heads turning at every corner, in one of the most iconic American classics ever made, the 1967 Oldsmobile Delta 88 convertible. Stay tuned because today, we're taking this beauty for a ride you won't forget. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a ride through automotive history. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic American cars of the 1960s, the 1967 Oldsmobile Delta 88 convertible. Buckle up, because this isn't just any car, it's a true symbol of style, power, and the golden era of American cruising. From the moment you lay eyes on the 1967 Delta 88 convertible, you can feel the charisma it exudes. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. Oldsmobile, a brand known for blending luxury with performance, hit a perfect balance with this model. The 88 series was already a favorite among car enthusiasts, but the convertible version took it to a whole new level. Imagine rolling down the boulevard with the top down, the wind flowing through your hair, and heads turning at every corner. That's the magic of this Delta 88. Now let's talk design, because design is where this car truly shines. The 1967 Oldsmobile Delta 88 convertible carries the refined, elegant lines characteristic of the late 60s American automotive style. It's long, sleek, and sophisticated, with chrome accents that catch the sunlight like liquid silver. The front end commands attention with its wide grille and quad headlights, creating a bold and confident face. From the side, the convertible profile is simply breathtaking. Classic curves meet crisp edges, giving it that perfect blend of muscularity and elegance. Flip the top down, and you instantly see why this was the dream car for cruising along the coast or attending the hottest summer gatherings. Stepping inside, the interior is a showcase of 1960s luxury. The Delta 88 convertible features plush bench seats, often upholstered in leather or premium vinyl, with a design that feels both opulent and inviting. The dashboard is a driver-focused masterpiece, blending functionality with style. Every gauge, knob, and control is laid out thoughtfully, and the attention to detail is evident in every inch of the cabin. From the classic steering wheel to the ornate trim, every element whispers sophistication. And let's not forget the convertible top mechanism. It's smooth, precise, and adds that extra flair that separates this Delta 88 from other cars of its era. Under the hood, the 1967 Delta 88 convertible packs a punch that complements its refined exterior. Typically powered by a rocket V8 engine, this car delivers both power and smooth cruising capability. With a displacement ranging from 330 to 425 cubic inches depending on the configuration, you have enough muscle to enjoy effortless acceleration, yet it retains that luxurious, composed ride Oldsmobile was famous for. It's the kind of engine that lets you feel the thrill without compromising comfort. Pair that with a smooth automatic transmission, and you've got a vehicle that's as enjoyable to drive as it is to admire. One of the most captivating aspects of the Delta 88 convertible is how it combines practicality with show-stopping style. Despite being a full-size convertible, it offers ample interior space for passengers and luggage, making it perfect for road trips or cruising with friends. The suspension is designed to glide over the roads, absorbing bumps and providing a soft, comfortable ride that makes long drives feel like a joy. And when you hit the open road with the top down, there's nothing quite like it. The roar of the V8, the wind in your hair, and the unmistakable presence of a classic American icon. Now let's dive into the cultural significance of the 1967 Oldsmobile Delta 88 convertible. This car wasn't just a mode of transportation, it was a lifestyle statement. In the 1960s, owning a Delta 88 meant status, taste, and an appreciation for the finer things in life. It appeared in countless films, music videos, and pop culture references, cementing its place as a true American classic. Collectors today still chase these convertibles for their timeless appeal, original styling, and powerful engines. Restored examples often command high prices at auctions, and for good reason. This isn't just a car, it's a piece of automotive art. Maintenance and restoration are also worth mentioning. Owning a classic like this requires attention to detail and care, but that's part of the joy. From sourcing original parts to preserving the exterior finish and interior elegance, restoring a Delta 88 convertible is a labor of love. And once it's done, the reward is unmatched. The look on people's faces when they see you pull up in a fully restored, gleaming classic is priceless. In conclusion, the 1967 Oldsmobile Delta 88 convertible represents the pinnacle of 1960s American automotive design and luxury. From its stunning exterior and plush interior to its powerful V8 engine and cultural significance, this car has earned its place among the classics. Driving one is more than transportation, it's an experience, a feeling of nostalgia, and a connection to an era when cars were more than machines, they were symbols of freedom and style. So, if you're a car enthusiast, a collector, or someone who appreciates the beauty of classic American automobiles, the 1967 Delta 88 convertible deserves a spot at the top of your list. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling me what your dream classic car is. And as always, keep your engines running and your spirits high, because the open road is calling and nothing beats cruising in a timeless classic like this.